I want to learn to dance but can't afford lessons and don't have a mirror. How should I handle this? If you don't have money, if you're on $0, go start with YouTube. I mean, and you have the power to pause, go back, play again. Before I knew what hip-hop choreography was, I was recording. I don't know how old any of you guys are, but I used to record a lot of these things, a lot of music videos on these things called VHS tapes, and I would record Usher in the sync, and I would play it. I would study all the moves. This is way before YouTube. I would study them. I would learn the choreography that way. Nowadays you can just learn everything on YouTube. There are plugins that allow you to actually play these YouTube videos in slow motion, so that adds it to another level of user control where you can learn at your pace. So YouTube, that answers that first part. And if you don't have a mirror, I'd say record yourself. Most people nowadays have a smartphone. Record yourself. You can see side by side if you're anywhere near close to how the choreographer did it, and you can then give yourself notes and then you can fix it. So I think that's a nice little hack for you to continue improving without the use of a mirror. Sometimes an outside perspective is all you need. A friend who has experience, or heck, even sending me the video on YouTube, sending me a link so I can give you feedback. Feedback is important in your growth. But that's how I think how you could approach it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got questions yourself, make sure to hit me up on Twitter or Instagram or YouTube, in the comments down below. That way I can get to your questions as well. And if you liked this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with friends who you think might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.